We start with the standard HTML boilerplate. We include the Tailwind CSS script to handle the dark mode styling and layout utility classes. We set up the page body with a dark gray background and use Flexbox to center the converter card in the middle of the screen. This is the input field for the money amount. We use type number to restrict the input, and we style it with a lighter gray background to contrast with the card. We create a drop-down menu for the source currency. The value attribute, like USD, is what we will send to the API later. This is the second drop-down for the target currency. We reuse the same styling and option values as the first one. We add a trigger button with a blue background and a hover effect. Below it, we place an empty div with the ID result where the final calculation will appear. In the script, we select all our DOM elements and store them in constants. We also define the API key which is required to authenticate our request with the ExchangeRate service. We listen for the click event. We capture the user's input and validate it to ensure it is a real number. If it is invalid, we show an error message and stop. We show a loading message, then use the Fetch API to call the currency service. We inject our API key and the base currency from into the URL. We use a wait to pause execution until the data returns. Once we have the data, we check if the request was successful. We find the specific rate for our target currency, do the math, amount asterisk rate, round it to 2 decimal places, and display the result. Finally, we wrap the whole operation in a try-catch block. If the internet is down or the API fails, we catch the error and show a user-friendly message.